Celebrate Utah's holiday with sugar cookies. These easy red, white, and blue cookies are the perfect patriotic dessert for Pioneer Day. And I know what you're thinking. Easy? Amanda Henneman makes it easy. She's here sharing the details on how to decorate Darling Star sugar cookies. So great to see you. And we love it. I love it that we can extend the red, white, and blue party
a little bit longer.
End of July. We're lucky. We're lucky.
Favorite holiday.
All right, you say there's a technique at work here that even the most beginning decorator could master.
Yeah, so summer's so busy and no one has time to spend hours trying to make something super cute for a dinner that's going to be done in 20 minutes. Right. So I wanted to come show something that literally anyone can do, but also people are going to come to your barbecue and be like, oh my gosh.
She took it over the top.
Yes.
Sidebar, does that kill you when you've slaved over cookies to watch people just like sink their mouth into it and destroy it in a bite? Okay, really?
It's my favorite. Well, I think because with these specifically, people don't expect them to taste good. So then I love watching that reaction when they're expecting to be like, oh, I love it. And then like, oh my gosh, these are so good.
These look pretty and they taste good. And
it's my favorite.
About the icing, which we'll talk about in a minute, but show me the technique at hand.
So we're gonna do this really simple star cookie cutter. So here's your bag of icing. I've already cut the tip off.
Okay.
We are going to outline it. I'm gonna give you that one.
We're gonna flood it.
We're gonna outline and flood. Yep. So it's
showing off.
Really so easy. So you're just gonna take your bag and you don't wanna drag it along the cookie, kind of like lift and place your icing.
Okay. Lift and place.
Yep. And that's how you get your straighter lines. And you can still have a shaky hand, but decorate cookies cute.
Lift and place, people.
Yep.
I think of a clothesline. I think of a clothesline in my Grandma Joe's backyard. We stretch it across the perimeter. Now my dots are getting a little generous in size.
Okay.
Is that okay?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna trade you. I've cut the top of that bigger so you can put more icing in there.
Oh my gosh, look how perfect yours is.
I have hours, lots of hours.
It takes a lot of self-confidence to stand next to professionals and do this all day. It's a hard job, okay?
I thought about that several times. Okay, then you're gonna put more icing in the middle, just like this, because you're gonna wanna cover the cookie. So about like that.
All right. Oops.
Good. Nope, you're good.
Stay inside the lines, Betsy.
Now I'm gonna give you a tool. And you can pick up your cookie here. And then you're just gonna spread it right to your outline.
Okay. Just spread it, she says.
Just spread. Kind of like you would with a buttercream icing or on a cake.
Now let's talk about this icing. And we mentioned the taste difference. What is it? What are we working with?
So we are working with the glaze icing. Don't take your time. Mine goes super fast.
Keep talking.
Mine goes fast.
Just keep talking and talking while I'm spreading
but do your job.
Okay.
Looks good. Okay, so I use a glaze icing, so it's different than what you're gonna find on most cute cookies. Mine has powdered sugar, caro syrup, milk or water, and then almond extract.
Caro syrup, almond extract.
So yummy. We're gonna eat these when we're done.
Oh, good. I hope so.
I've been excited about it all day.
Oh, good.
Anyway, so it's softer, but it still sets up hard enough that I can package them and serve them at a party for people. So it takes, like, if you were to decorate these today, you could serve them tomorrow or package them tomorrow, which is really nice. Okay, so then you're gonna set yours back down.
It's good.
It looks so good.
Fine.
I teach classes all the time. I'm super impressed. Super impressed.
I'll slip you that 20 later. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so I brought some sprinkles with me. These are just super basic. So this is what we're creating.
Cute, a little side swag.
Yeah, just like a little, so you're just gonna do half of your cookie here. And
I'm gonna pick my worst half and cover it with sprinkles.
And then we're gonna pick a couple stars and just place those on there.
I mean, it's hard to tell which half is the worst on my cookie, but that's where the sprinkles are landing.
Yep.
Okay.
And then grab a couple of your little stars and you can place them right where you want them.
Look, I like the little side swag. It's just like got attitude.
Yeah.
It's a star cookie with
little design. It makes it look like a purposeful design instead of just like throwing your sprinkles everywhere.
Purposeful. Yes.
So then if you have a whole plate of these sitting out, people will think you went and bought them from somewhere.
They will.
But that was literally so easy. And this icing that we used is my base recipe. So you can find that on my website.
Okay,
it's bakedbyamanda.com.
Okay.
You can get my icing recipe for free. It's just a very basic.
It's your gift to the world.
It is. It is. So this recipe will create this consistency. So you just outline it, cut a little bit bigger hole in it, flood it, put your sprinkles on. My sprinkles, guess where I got them?
Tell us.
Walmart.
No, you did not.
Yes, they're great value.
Walmart is making a splash these days. I feel like it used to be Target this, target that. Now the little sister Walmart is kind of growing up.
100%, yep. So these are just Walmart sprinkles, and they carry them year round, I'm pretty sure.
Cute.
Which is really nice for those of us that, I mean, it's not 4th of July anymore, but Utah, we still have Pioneer Day.
And we have fireworks too, which gives me an excuse to have everybody look at this cookie right here. That is fabulous. It's gold, what is it?
Yeah, so that's a gold luster dust that you can buy online a lot of places, and then you mix it with an Everclear, which is like an alcohol base, so it dissolves.
Amanda, I love it.
So pretty, huh?
It's fantastic. You're so talented.
But,
give us your website again.
Okay, so website is bakedbyamanda.com. On there you can find my icing recipe. I have my cookie recipe in an ebook.
All right.
On my website. On my Instagram, it's bakedbyamandah. And I do lots of tutorials. I also do like DIY cookie kit boxes seasonally, where you can like take them home and decorate them with your kids. But I am going to make you take a bite.
Right now?
Yep, you can eat yours.
Well, I've got to talk for a living, but
I know.
Okay, TV bite. Yeah, the almond.
So good, huh?
The almond is so good.
I've never made you take a bite.
Hit my tongue. Thanks for making me take a bite. Thanks for being that forceful, bossy friend. That's why we love you. They're delicious. We'll link you to our website for all of the recipes. Good to see you. Thank you so much.